In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Asana to Slack, a simple process that will streamline your workflow by integrating two powerful tools into one seamless experience. Let's delve into the steps, and by the end of this guide, you'll have these two platforms working together perfectly. First, you'll want to start by opening Slack. On your homepage, find the section labeled Apps. This is where you'll be able to initiate the integration with Asana. Once you're in the Apps section, head to the search bar and type in Asana. As you type, you'll notice Asana appear in the list. Go ahead and click on it, which will take you to its Slack page. From the Asana page within Slack, you're looking for the option that says Add to Slack. Give that a click. You'll be directed to a new window where authorization for Asana to connect with Slack is required. Don't be alarmed, this is just routine to ensure your accounts are linked securely. Here you'll see a button that says Allow. Click that to give Asana permission to integrate with Slack. Once you've done this, you'll be brought to a confirmation screen. It may prompt you again with an Allow button. Clicking this will finalize the process and officially connect your Asana to Slack. At this stage, you'll have the option to open Asana directly, or if you prefer, switch back to Slack to verify the integration. Simply go back to the Slack app section and you should now see Asana listed among your apps. This integration opens up a world of possibilities. By connecting Asana to Slack, you gain the ability to receive updates and task notifications directly within Slack, ensuring that you're always in the loop. Be sure to explore the settings within Asana and Slack to customize notifications according to your preferences. A quick tip, if you're in a team setting, let your colleagues know about this integration. It can help improve overall efficiency by consolidating notifications and tasks into one place. To sum up, connecting Asana to Slack is as easy as locating the apps section, typing in Asana, clicking to add it to Slack, and allowing permissions for both platforms to communicate with each other. Once you've completed these straightforward steps, you'll enjoy the enhanced productivity and seamless workflow that come with having these tools integrated. It's an effortless way to optimize task management and stay coordinated with your projects. Thank you for following along in this tutorial. I hope you found this helpful and that you're all set up to connect Asana to Slack. Feel free to explore more of what this integration can offer and streamline your workflow even further. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical guides that make your tech life easier.